Hi everyone! Nag-crave ako for pizza, and when the craving hits, the only solution is to take my apple cider vinegar gummies by the Slim Firm. Ito talaga, it effectively suppresses my appetite and, helps me avoid overeating. And it also helps with bloating. Ako kasi kahit madaling araw nagugutom ako, pero pagkagising ko, kahit ano kainin ko sa madaling araw, flat pa din ako. Laking tulong ito sa akin. And I just started focusing on losing weight. Mukhang 35 plus pounds ako na. Ngayon, in 2 to 3 months, parang 107 na lang ako. Oh. Pero ito, this will not just help you lose weight. Ang dami ng benefits. For, immune function, better gut health, and it has also probiotics. Also, napansin ko rin, it gives me an extra glow. Mas nag-improve yung skin ko. Wala lang, share ko lang sa inyo kasi naging effective talaga to sa akin. Lalo na breastfeeding ako, ang hirap talaga mag-diet. Pero, through balanced diet, and working out, being active, get moving, and taking these apple cider vinegar gummies, makakatulong talaga sa inyo to achieve your weight goals. Gusto ko pa magka-second baby. Hindi ko muna priority na talagang magpaka-lean. Pero at least, I was able to achieve a healthy weight. So, yeah. The secret is the Slim Firm's apple cider vinegar gummies.